back to my channel, guys. I like to make this little video to update you all for all the messages. I want to give you a big thank you. Yes, I was away for quite a while. First I had my holiday, then I had a big time back problem, which made me forced to stay in my bed and hate it, but that's sometimes necessary. And I just like to make this little video to just thank you so much. I got so many nice messages, so many nice emails, and oh my gosh, it's so heartwarming that that you all were there for me, even being away in this time. And yeah, that made me feel so good that you have patience with me and no hard feelings, that I'm not aware, that I'm not being here on YouTube. I really, yeah, I just couldn't. I wish and I really wanted, but I just could not. I could not do. My health was very bad, and my back was very bad, and that made me very ill, taking very high painkillers, and I'm still not here full 100%, but I'm getting there. That leaves me on my there was a project, and I was starting there on July already, and then I got a holiday, so I thought, well, after my holiday I need to finish that up, and then I have new videos for you right away after my holiday, because it was almost finished. But yeah, time sucks with me. That's not a good word, but anyway, you know the thing that I wanted to say to you. But yeah, I finally finished it up, and so doing all the tutorials and everything, you will have, I mentioned so many things, but just wanted to tell you I recorded it in July already, so yeah, now it's almost October, but I'm getting there. So the videos, I have 15 tutorials for you, from 1 hour to 1.5 hours, in between, something like that. So yep, I'm coming back to you. Yeah, so good. So yeah, 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Each day of those I will upload a new video. I'm not gonna do the weekends. I'm gonna take it slow this time. I really am, because I really need the time to heal myself, and I'd really like to start a new project, and I am gonna do that, but I'm gonna take it slow. So yeah, no idea what. Yeah, of course I have an idea what. I already have something in mind, but yeah, I'm getting it slow. So yep, every Monday, Wednesday and Friday I'm getting back to you. So excited. So yeah, I hope you like my new project. So yeah, this is a little welcome back video. Yeah, I'm crazy. I'm a little nervous also too, to get back and everything. This morning I had my little video on my Graphic 45 storage. That video I also made in my holiday. Oh, and then all the excitements from you all getting back, and all the notifications and all the emails and everything. Oh my gosh, oh, I'm so super excited. I really missed that. I really missed it all. Even that I got so many nice comments and nice emails and nice messages. Even that, if I'm not on YouTube, I do miss that. I do love to be here, standing in my craft room, looking around with all my nice stuff to work with. So yes, I'm back, guys. I am back. Not 100%, but I'm back. That's the point. So let's get into, I hope you like my new video. So stay tuned, and you will see the next tutorial series. Bye bye, and big thumbs up for all you guys. I wish I had bigger thumbs, but I love you all. I really love you all. Alright, see you next time.